In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable or turn off sticky keys on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should say settings. Open that up. Select accessibility on the left panel, and on the right side, scroll down underneath interaction and select keyboard. And then there should be a sticky key section near the top. You can just toggle it to the off position by clicking inside the oval one time, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.